Hello and welcome back to our channel Think Investments, where we bring you the best advice, tips, and lessons from some of the most successful people in the world. Today we have a very special Grant Cardone, an entrepreneur, author, and real estate investor who has built a multi-million-dollar empire from scratch. He is a New York Times best-selling author, a highly sought-after speaker, and a leading expert in sales, marketing, and business strategy. In this video, we are going to share Grant Cardone's insights on what it takes to be successful and why your mindset is the most important factor in achieving your goals. And unless you think this way, you'll never be successful. So without further ado, let's dive into the world of Grant Cardone and learn from his wisdom and experience. Many people believe that success is all about luck, talent, or connections. However, according to Grant Cardone, the most important factor in achieving success is your mindset. Your mindset is the set of beliefs, attitudes, and habits that determine your thoughts, actions, and results. If you want to be successful, you need to have a success mindset. Grant believes that success is not a matter of chance, but a matter of choice. You need to choose to be successful and commit yourself to your goals. This requires a mindset shift from a passive victim mentality to an active creator mentality. You need to take ownership of your life, your decisions, and your results. You need to stop blaming others or external circumstances for your failures and start taking responsibility for your success. Grant Cardone's 10X philosophy is not just about setting bigger goals, but also about changing your mindset. It's about shifting from a scarcity mindset where you believe that success is limited and only a few people can achieve it, to an abundance mindset, where you believe that success is unlimited and available to anyone who is willing to work for it. This mindset shift is crucial because it affects not only your goals, but also your beliefs, attitudes, and habits. When you have an abundance mindset, you are more likely to take risks, try new things, and persist in the face of challenges. You are also more likely to attract success, wealth, and opportunities because you believe that they are available to you. So, if you want to be successful, you need to adopt a 10X mindset and think in terms of abundance, not scarcity. To achieve success, you need to be willing to put in the effort and persist through challenges. Grant Cardone emphasizes the importance of taking massive action towards your goals, which requires a proactive mindset and taking responsibility for your results. This means creating a plan of action, breaking it down into manageable steps, and consistently working towards your goals every day. Remember, success is not handed to you on a silver platter. It requires hard work, dedication, and a mindset of action. It's important to stay focused on your goals and not get discouraged by setbacks or failures. Instead, use them as learning opportunities and keep moving forward. With a mindset of action, you can achieve anything you set your mind to, and the journey toward success will be filled with valuable lessons and experiences that will help you grow and improve as a person. Obsession is not just about working hard or being passionate about something. It's about having a laser-like focus on your goals and being willing to do whatever it takes to achieve them. It's about being so committed to your vision that you are willing to make sacrifices, take risks, and overcome obstacles that would deter others. Obsession requires a mindset of unwavering determination and a willingness to push yourself beyond your limits. It means being willing to fail, learn from your mistakes, and keep going until you succeed. When you are obsessed with your goals, you become unstoppable and nothing can stand in your way. This level of commitment and dedication is what separates successful people from those who merely dream of success. It's not enough to have a goal or a dream. You need to be obsessed with it and make it your top priority. Only then can you achieve the level of success that you desire. In conclusion, success is not a matter of luck, talent, or connections. Success is a matter of mindset, action, obsession, and persistence. If you want to be successful, you need to adopt a success mindset, set 10X goals, take massive action, and be obsessed with your vision. You need to believe in yourself, your abilities, and your potential, and be willing to do whatever it takes to achieve your dreams. We hope that this video has inspired you to think differently about success and take your life to the next level. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more inspirational videos. Thank you for watching.